Welcome to the Scalable Capital Review Usage Experience. Links to Scalable Capital are available in the description below. Scalable Capital is a Europe-based robo-advisor designed to simplify investing with its data-driven approach. This platform is tailored for individuals who want professional portfolio management without the high costs of traditional advisors. It's ideal for beginners, hands-off investors, and even those with intermediate knowledge who appreciate a tech-savvy approach to wealth building. One of the standout features of Scalable Capital is its emphasis on risk management. It uses a unique value-at-risk VAR model to ensure your portfolio aligns with your risk tolerance and adapts to market changes. The platform builds globally diversified portfolios primarily made up of low-cost ETFs, keeping costs low while maintaining broad exposure across asset classes. For those who prioritize sustainability, Scalable Capital also offers ESG portfolios focused on socially responsible investments. The fee structure is straightforward and competitive, with an annual management fee of around 0.75%, which includes portfolio monitoring, rebalancing, and reporting. Additional fund costs average approximately 0.15%. This all-in pricing ensures transparency, so there are no hidden fees to worry about. The platform also integrates seamlessly with banking tools, allowing users to set up direct deposits and monitor their investments effortlessly. Scalable Capital is especially suited for those who value technology-driven solutions. Its app and web dashboard provide a clear breakdown of portfolio performance, allocation, and risk levels, making it easy to track your investments at any time. Moreover, the platform supports various account types, including individual investment accounts, joint accounts, and pension-focused options such as the German Riester-Rente. While Scalable Capital is excellent for hands-off investors, it may not appeal to those looking for high levels of portfolio customization or advanced trading features. However, for individuals who prioritize simplicity, professional oversight, and risk management, it's a top-notch choice. If Scalable Capital sounds like the right fit for your financial goals, check the links in the description and start your investing journey today.